Hello, welcome to SQL Training Session. In this session, today we will learn how to export the data from SQL Server database table to Excel file. So here you can see on the screen, I have created a SSIS project demo. In that, I have created the solution. I have created one project named Export Data to Excel. So you can see here it's a blank project, and our intention to export the data to from SQL Server table to Excel sheet. So let me open a table. I'll connect to the SSIS database, and in database the table, I'll show you the database and the table which we need to export to Excel sheet. So this is the table. Database name is SampleDB. If you can see here in this database SampleDB, there is a table employee detail. So let me show you the content of this table. And if I execute it, you can see we have 9 rows. So we have 9 records in this table. So we wanted to export this data to Excel sheet. So let me show you the file location where this sheet is there. So this is my location, and file employee data. This is the file where we wanted to export the data from table to this sheet. And in this actual there are 2 sheets, sheet 1 and export data. So sheet 1 is already having a data, so I have created another sheet named it as export data. Here we wanted to export the data. Okay, and let me close this Excel sheet, and we'll go back to the project. So in this project, as you can see, it's a blank project. So first we need to drag the data flow task. Why data flow task? Because our intention is to flow the data from SQL Server table to Excel sheet. So if you want, you can rename it. So let me rename it as export data to Excel. Okay, so I have renamed it. Now we need to mention what is the source and destination. So for that we need to double click in it, so that we will come to data flow pane. So in this data flow pane, you can see in the left hand side SSIS toolbox is given. Here we have all the tools available based on the category. These are the source tools, these are the destinations tools. For this task, as we know that our data source is nothing but a SQL Server table. So the service provider for the SQL Server is OLDB source. So we need to double click on it, and we select it. Now we need to configure the connection. Here you can see it's for me it's already a connection manager. So if you want to create a new one, or you want to know how to create a new connection manager, so you need to delete it, existing one, click on new button, and here you need to provide the server name. So you need to provide the server name here. So to get the server names, you need to click on the connect button here and click on the database. So you need to copy a server name from here, copy and paste it here. Once you paste the server name, you will get the database name option is enabled, and if you drop down, if you select it, you will be able to get all the database which is present inside the server name. So click on the database name. Okay, let me drag it. And if you want to test the connection, okay, click on OK. Okay, click on OK here. So once the server name and the database is connected, then the table is employee table. So let me select this table from where we need to get the data, and if you want to see what exactly the data present in this table, then you can click on the preview button, click on close and click on OK. Okay, now the source has been configured. Now our second step is to configure the destination. So destination is nothing but an Excel sheet. So we'll choose the Excel destination. First we need to connect the source to the destination, and we need to configure the connection manager here. So let me give the connection path of the Excel sheet. So this is the Excel sheet, employee data. Click on open, click on OK, and the name of the Excel sheet, if you see, So exported data is the sheet from in which we need to export the data, in which we need to put the data from the table. So we select it. If we want to see the existing data, so existing data is in Excel sheet. In this we do not have any record. Okay, click on close. Now if you want to, now on the left hand side there is a mapping option. So employee ID from the database table is mapped to the employee ID table column in Excel. Employee name in the table is mapped to the employee name. Employee city column in the table is mapped to the employee city in the Excel sheet. Then created date from the table is mapped to the date in Excel sheet. So click on OK. Let me drag it here. Click on OK. All the mapping is been done. Now still if you can see, here is a red icon is saying, and it's saying column employee name cannot convert between Unicode to non-Unicode. That means in source we have the non-Unicode varchar data type, and in Excel it will be Unicode. For that we need to use a data conversion tool so that we can convert the data type. So for that, first delete this precedence constraint. Let me select it once and map it to data conversion, then map it to Excel sheet. Okay, employee name, employee city, and once you select, you will get it that existing string data type for these two columns is string. We need to convert into Unicode. It was non-Unicode, we have converted into Unicode, and we kept the length 50 as it is. Click on OK. Now we need to again remap. Okay. Earlier employee name is connected to employee name in the table, which is varchar type. Now we have converted it using the data conversion. Now we can rename it. We can remap it. Okay. Click on OK. Now if you can see, here the red icon is gone. There is no error. Now you can execute package. See, the 9 rows has been flown from SQL Server table to Excel sheet. So if you wanted to open the folder, you wanted to open the Excel file, you can see the 9 rows has been imported. It's been exported. See, all the records has been exported. Put this exported. Earlier there was no record. So like this way you will be able to create a project, SSIS project, which can export the data from SQL Server to Excel sheet. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much.